Good afternoon, I'm Raine Musñgi. This is Newsfeed. Philippine shares end the first day of the trading week in the green. The PSEi was up 0.4% to end at 73.43. Value turnover was at 4.1 billion pesos, with decliners beating advancers 99 to 90. Among the most active stocks, only Semirara Mining and Power Corporation and Ayala Land were in the red. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is expected to further cut interest rates through next year. On BNC's basis points, BDO Securities Online head Alejandro Molina said the BSP could implement a 125 basis point reduction in the next 12 months. The central bank has cut the benchmark rate twice this year amid a downtrend in inflation.
Those moves by the BSP definitely help the equities market. With that said, since we are potentially cutting more than the Fed, our currency could also take a hit, but that could also be good for exports.
BDO UnionBank reports a 12% rise in profit for the first 9 months of the year. The banco, or rather banking arm of the C family, says its profit reached 60.6 billion pesos, driven by sustained performance in core, intermediation, and fee-based services. BDO reported a 13% increase in gross customer loans, while total deposits rose by 10%. Non-interest income climbed 16% year-on-year. Meanwhile, Union Bank of the Philippines posts a 6% increase in net income in the 9 months ending September. The figure rose to 8.6 billion pesos, mainly driven by the company's expanding consumer loan portfolio. The Aboitiz-led bank's third quarter earnings surged by 76% to 3.5 billion pesos, while total revenues for the 9-month period rose by 9.2% to 57.7 billion pesos. Well, following last week's rollback, oil prices are slightly increasing this week. Starting tomorrow, the cost of gasoline is expected to rise by 20 centavos per liter, while both diesel and kerosene by 50 centavos per liter. This is said to be due to continued tensions in the Middle East and a rising fuel demand in South Korea. Overseas, China's industrial profits post its steepest monthly decline of the year. Profits in September fell 27.1% from a year earlier, following a 17.8% drop in August. The National Bureau of Statistics attributes a slump to insufficient demand, sharper decline in producer prices, and a higher base of comparison since August. The agency expects industrial profits to pick up following recently unveiled stimulus measures. And before we go, here are today's market winners and losers. And those are the news this hour. I'm Raine Musñgi. We now bring you back to the Senate hearing into the drug war.